Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Pooja Kanumuru, consultant dermatologist at Venkat Center, Bangalore. Today I'll be talking about something most of us are struggling with, that is acne scars. And today I'll be telling you how modern science like laser treatments can help you get a better skin and get rid of these acne scars. Acne scars are not just skin deep, they affect our confidence, appearance, and sometimes even how we feel about ourselves. But here's the good news, not all scars are permanent, and science has come a long way in treating them. So, the first step in this process is to understand your scars. How exactly do acne scars appear? So, acne scars, they all appear in different types, and each type of acne scars required a different type of treatment. So, that's why you need to see a dermatologist when it comes to figuring out what kind of scar you have. So, firstly, there are scars and there is pigmentation. You need to differentiate between your scars and pigmentation. Acne heals either by scars and pigmentation. When it comes to scars, there are three types of scars. Those are ice pick scars, box scars, and rolling scars. And when it comes to pigmentation, it either heals by hyperpigmentation, that is black pigmentation, or red pigmentation. Now, ice pick scars are deep, narrow, tiny pit-like scars. And now, moving on to box scars, they are box-shaped scars with a proper edges. And then there is your rolling scars. They are wavy in nature because of loss of collagen. Now, what treatment options are available for these type of scars? Now, let's discuss them. Now, with the advancement of science, we have lasers which help in dealing with such kind of scars. Now, we have different types of lasers for each type of scars. The first laser that I'd like to discuss is the fractional CO2 laser. Now, this is one of the most powerful tools for treating acne scars, which are deep in nature. Now, this type of laser treats acne scars by creating micro injuries in the scar tissue, because of which there is new collagen forming and then there is collagen remodeling. And with this type of collagen remodeling, the depth of the acne scar can be reduced with each session. Now, results vary. And they start appearing after 3 to 4 sessions with this laser treatment. Now, which type of scar works best with fractional CO2 resurfacing? Your box scars and your rolling scars work best. There's a downtime of 5 to 7 days, and the number of sessions required are around 5 to 6 sessions. The second laser is your erbium YAG laser. Now, this laser is more gentler than the CO2 laser. It helps in resurfacing the acne scars which are superficial in nature. This also works on the same principle as CO2 laser, and it has a lesser downtime than CO2 laser. It is best used for mild to moderate acne scarring, and the downtime is around 3 to 5 days. And the number of sessions depend on the type of scars, and it is usually around 3 to 6 sessions, and it's usually the time gap between each session is around 4 to 6 weeks. And lastly, with advancement in science and technology, we have MNRF, that is microneedling radio frequency device, which also helps in all types of scars. Again, MNRF also works on the principle of creating micro injuries which help in collagen remodeling and also tightening the skin, resulting in lesser depth of the acne scar, and with each session your scar will improve. Here the number of sessions depends on the severity of scars, and the downtime is around 5 to 7 days. And lastly, there are other effective treatments also which are done in combination with these laser treatments. So we have TCA cross, that is trichloroacetic acid cross, where a chemical is put on the ice pick scars. It works really well in ice pick scars, and that causes protein coagulation, and that causes again collagen remodeling and decreases the depth of the acne scars. Apart from TCA cross, and there is microneedling with derma roller. It works similar to MNRF except that there is no heat energy produced here. And then that also helps in creating tiny injuries, micro injuries, which again causes collagen remodeling. And there are some kind of acne scars which are held down by fibers because of the inflammatory process of acne formation. Now, subcision is a process where a needle is introduced into the skin and the fibers are broken down, and that results in again improving the scar. And then there are chemical peels which help in superficial peeling, and they'll reduce the pigmentation. And also there is PRP, and there are dermal fillers or PRF which temporarily help in lifting the atrophic scars. So now what do you think is the right treatment for you? So you might have a lot of questions and confusions related to it. Well, like I mentioned, not all acne scars can be treated with one single treatment. So it's a multi-modular approach. The dermatologist will decide on your treatment protocol based on your scar type and how deep your scar is and the duration of your scars. So to conclude, acne scars, there are treatments available. Visit your dermatologist, and patience is the key because consistent treatment is required, and the treatment can go around 6 months to 1 year based on your acne severity. So real results take time. With the right plan, you will get a better skin. So do visit us at Venkat Center. We have all the treatment options available, and we will help you regain your confidence back.